Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Byte. In this video, we are covering the basics of SQL MCQ, perfect for interviews and quick revision. We will be covering MCQ on all SQL topic in upcoming videos. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Let's get started. What does SQL stands for? Options are sequential query language, system query logic, structured query language, and server side query language. Option C is correct. SQL stands for structured query language and is used to interact with the database. Which of the following is a DML command? Options are create, insert, drop, and alter. Option B is correct. DML stands for data manipulation language and it includes commands like insert, update, and delete. Which SQL command removes all record from a table but not the structure? Options are drop, delete, truncate, and remove. Option C is correct. Truncate quickly removes all rows but keep the table intact. What symbol is used to end an SQL statement? Options are comma, colon, semicolon, and period. Option C is correct. SQL statements are typically terminated with a semicolon. Which keyword retrieves data from the database? Options are get, select, read, and extract. Option D is correct. Select is used to fetch data from one or more tables. Which of the following is a valid SQL data type? Options are integer, string, varchar, and text string. Option C is correct. Varchar is used to store variable length character strings. Which command is used to create a new table? Options are add table, make table, create table, and init table. Option C is correct. Create table defines a new table in the database. SQL is options are a procedural language, a query language, a markup language, and a scripting language. Option B is correct. SQL is a domain specific query language for database. Which of the following is a valid SQL constraint? Options are limit, unique, find, and sort. Option B is correct. Unique ensures all values in a column are different. What does the where clause do in SQL? Options are filter rows, sorts rows, deletes table, and join table. Option A is correct. Where is used to filter records based on condition. Which command is used to modify existing data in a table? Options are edit, update, change, and modify. Option B is correct. Update is used to change existing record in a table. SQL keywords are options are case sensitive, only lowercase, only uppercase, and not case sensitive. Option D is correct. SQL is not case sensitive. Which command deletes a table permanently? Options are remove table, delete, drop table, and clear. Option C is correct. Drop table removes the table and all its data and structure. Which of the following is not a valid SQL command? Options are select, insert, modify, and delete. Option C is correct. Modify is not a standard SQL command. What is the default sort order in order by clause? Options are descending, random, ascending, and alphabetical. Option C is correct. Order by sorts in ascending order unless specified otherwise. What is the purpose of distinct keyword? Options are sorts value, deletes duplicate, returns unique value only, and count rows. Option C is correct. Distinct remove duplicate rows from the result set. What will select asterisk from table name do? Options are select all columns and rows, select numeric columns, select table name, and causes an error. Option A is correct. The asterisk selects all column in a table. Which clause limits the number of rows returned? Options are top, limit, count, and max. Option D is correct. Limits restricts how many rows are returned, commonly used in MySQL or PostgreSQL. Which command adds a new row to a table? Options are insert, add, push, and update. Option A is correct. Insert is used to add new records. What is the purpose of a unique constraint? Options are ensures all values are different, prevents null values, makes a column primary, and sorts the value. Option A is correct. Unique ensures no two rows have the same value in the constant column. Which SQL command give access to users? Options are permit, grant, allow, and access. Option B is correct. Grant is used to give privilege to the users in SQL. Which command is used to save a transaction? Options are rollback, commit, save point, and end. Option B is correct. Commit permanently saves all changes made in a transaction. Which keyword is used to combine rows from two tables? Options are merge, join, connect, and link. Option B is correct. Join retrieves data from multiple tables based on the related column. Which command is used to create a new database? Options are new database, create database, make database, and build DB. Option D is correct. Create database initializes a new database. Which SQL keyword temporarily renames a column or a table? Options are change, define, as, and label. Option C is correct. As is used to create an alias. It means temporary name for a column or tables. Thanks for watching and comment your score below, and in the next section we will be covering MCQs on SQL operator and clause. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EasyByte. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.